Good day, kabayan. This is Sunny of Ray Estates PH, your Cavite Property Specialist. Andito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Bukal, Tanza para i-feature itong affordable house and lot in Cavite na American-inspired and just about an hour lang ang biyahe to Manila, Makati and BGC. Tara, silipin natin si Pleasantfields. Pleasantfields is developed by 650 Homes, the fastest growing real estate developer in Cavite. The project sits on a 2.7 hectares and has only 237 units, kaya hindi crowded. Meron din itong mga amenities gaya ng community hall, orchard park, play and fitness park, at garden park. It's about an hour travel lang to Manila, Makati and BGC, kaya best for professionals working in those area. Napakabilis at high quality ang turnover ng mga units. Meron din tayong mga limited RFO units na available. This project has lots of open parks and family-friendly amenities. If you're a first-time homebuyer and wants to invest in a property that is close to Manila, Makati and BGC, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel at Ray Estates PH. It also has three model units, the Nixon, the Kennedy, and the Lincoln. For inquiries or free assisted site tripping, you can text, call, or email us. You may also visit our website at www.pleasantfields.realestatesph.com for complete details.